Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to recover your Free Fire account. So first, open Free Fire and check whether you're still signed in on any device. If you can access your account, then open your profile and look for your player information. Your account ID should be displayed there. And if you've lost access to the account, then first you need to identify which login method was connected to it, such as a supported social or platform account. Then use the official recovery process for that login method and regain access to the account. And if you still can't access your account, then you need to contact Garena's official support and provide the information they request to verify ownership. Here you need to avoid websites that are claiming they can recover or generate Free Fire IDs for you. Never give your password or verification codes to someone promising to recover your account. So that was how to find or recover your Free Fire account information. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.